Hi there, this is video number 2. This is Abraham at North Shore Computer Services. What I'm doing here is I'm going to be separating the ribbon cable from the digitizer, and for that we have a little pry tool and this tiny iron. We're just going to go one contact at a time, warm it up a little bit, and slide the pry tool. It is nice to think that this was put together by human beings, which means it can be repaired by human beings. When stuff is made by robots, meaning things are really tiny, it cannot be repaired by human beings. Although sometimes it can. I've seen it done. It is not as easy as I thought it would be, honestly. I thought I would just retouch it or touch it and it would separate. Well, I'm touching it and it's not separating. How fun is that? And again, it's easier to damage this than you could think. Okay, we got our separation, and I just want to pick this up. Okay, there is the cable that needs to be taken out. Now some more flux will need to go on the contacts, clean them up, and then they will need to be retouched. Now I'm using a microscope to do this, and it makes life easy, but I guess if your vision is sharp, you could do this by hand. Thank you, see you in the next video.